For powerful effects work, Apple's Shake 4.1 is the perfect complement to Final Cut Studio. The same tools that have been used on award-winning motion pictures and TV commercials can now be put to work on the clips in your Final Cut Pro timeline. Among the many tasks that can be achieved with Shake are automatic stabilization of shaky footage, keying of blue screen and green screen material, tracking in of replacement signs and displays, and even the retiming and ramping of footage using advanced optical flow algorithms. Exporting footage from Final Cut Pro for treatment in Shake is simple. Select the portion of your timeline you want to work with and choose Send to Shake. Enter names for both the Shake script itself and for the final QuickTime movie to be rendered out of Shake, then click Export. Shake 4.1 opens with the exported section of your timeline assembled. Shake's intuitive node-based interface is perfect for creating precise solutions for even the toughest effects shots. Cut edits from Final Cut Pro 5 are represented in Shake as select nodes, and the order of video layers in the Final Cut Pro timeline is preserved with the multi-layer node. Adding a filter, such as a keyer, is as easy as selecting the footage in the node view that you want to affect, then clicking on the appropriate filter in the tool tabs. Choose from dozens of advanced filters like color correctors, blurs, film grain simulation, warpers, morphers, and trackers. With your filter applied, use the Parameters tab to fine-tune the effect. Shake's viewer interactively updates to show you the results of your changes. Or take advantage of Shake's broadcast monitor support to preview the composite on an external monitor. Once you're happy with your settings, use Shake's RAM preview capabilities to check for problems with your shot in real time. If everything looks good, render the final clip out to disk. With the render complete, switch back to Final Cut Pro 5. Relink the newly rendered clip using the Reconnect Media window and the round trip is complete. Notice that Final Cut Pro 5 has created a new video track containing the rendered composite superimposed over the original selected clips. Just activate this track and you have your completed effects shot ready to play right from the Final Cut Pro timeline. Final Cut Pro 5 isn't the only part of Final Cut Studio to integrate with Shake. If you're creating more elaborate projects in Shake, you can use Motion as a powerful generator of backgrounds, particles, and text. Just create the content you need in Motion, then import the Motion project into Shake, just like any other piece of footage. Shake can then use the Motion content as part of the larger effects shot. If you need to modify the Motion content, make the changes in Motion, then save the project again. Back in Shake, a quick relink command is all it takes to update the clip. Regardless of the size of the job, you can now take advantage of the same powerful tools used by studios around the world for award-winning visual effects. With the integration between Final Cut Studio and Shake 4.1, you have everything you need to sell the shot.